Joint on the corner where the big boys play.
Yes, I haven't been here in a while. I'm really impressed that they've got vegan options.
All right, guys, here we go. Here's our special, the grilled chicken and bacon sandwich with melted mozzarella and a side salad. And here is your vegan quinoa and avocado salad with a side salad. Can I get you guys anything else?
Not for me, thanks.
A cup of coffee when you get a chance.
Sure, you got it.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is it?
There's a dead animal on my plate. I think I'm gonna puke.
I think you're overreacting.
Oh yeah, is this overreacting? Waiter.
Yes, sir. Is there something wrong with your meal?
Yes, there is something wrong with my meal. There's a dead animal on my plate. And, did I order a dead animal? Did I order a dead animal today?
Well, technically.
Yeah, I mean, technically you did. It was a special today. That's what you ordered.
Technically.